the Venn diagram. We'll try to talk a little bit about making one here, and then also shading, some different things with shading. I may not answer every question on this paper, but I want to make sure that you know where that goes with shading, because we're going to do that in class. Okay, so we have 3 cafes: Alan's Diner, Sarah's Snack Bar, Pete's Eats, and it gives you letters. It says recorded in the table below. So probably, I'm just going to skip down right here, that they're going to have some overlap. So I'm going to go ahead and make my Venn diagram. If you're worried about your circles being uniform, you can use something. You don't have to. Put the box around, make sure you have that box around there. I'm going to label A, S, and P. Okay, so 17 were customers of Pete's only. Only is a keyword, okay? Only is like when we say we're looking for but not. Only means they're not overlapping anything. So Pete's Eats only would be 17. 27 were Sarah's Snack Bar only. 15 were Alan Diner only. Oftentimes they give you this pattern. It's either all of the same spot here, or it's those individual sections. 10 were customers of Pete's Eats and Sarah's Snack Bar, but not Alan's Diner. Okay, so Pete and Sarah would be this section right here. It just stopped right there. Pete's Eats and Sarah's Snack Bar. But if you take out Alan's Diner, then we're only talking about that section. So that's 10. If you do that once, usually you can follow where everything else comes from. 8 customers of Pete's Eats and Alan's Diner, but not Sarah's Snack Bar. So again, this is Pete's Eats, Alan's Diner, but not Sarah's Snack Bar. Okay, so we have this information, Venn diagram. This is what we know, our universal set. It's what we know so far. And then there's going to be more information that comes along. So if you look over on your paper, part B, it says there were 48 customers of Pete's Eats that day. So when you're looking at the diagram, Pete's Eats is right here, and we have 8 plus 10 plus 17 plus that middle number has to equal 48. So you can make that X if you want to, but that middle number now is 13. So we're improving our values here. So it says there were 50 customers of Sarah's Snack Bar that day. So Sarah's, again, so this is 23 plus 27, that's 50. So that means there were 0 here, because the whole thing adds up to 50. Pete's was 48. So it says calculate the number of people who were customers at Alan's Diner. So Alan's Diner would be 15 plus 8 plus 13 plus 0 and 23 plus, so it'd be 36. It says write down the number of customers of Alan's Diner that were also customers of Pete's Eats. So it doesn't say but not both, so we're just talking about this part right here. So that's 21. Some of them also went to Sarah's, but it doesn't say but not, so that would be 21. Then the last thing is find the number in S union P intersected with a complement. Okay, so I'm going to do this to show you a little shading. S union P would be all of S and all of P, because it's union. but we're intersecting with everything other than A. So we only want the place to be shaded that is not in A. Because intersection, they have to be the overlap. So not A is everything outside of A that's in the universal set. So our answer is going to come from the place where we have the overlap. So the place where there's pink and the pencil there, that's going to be 17 plus 10 plus 27. So 54. So when you're doing this kind of shading, it helps you visualize where that value would have been. If it would have said union, then we would have included everything that we shaded. But if it's intersection, we only include the overlap. Okay, so let's go to question 3. Fitness club has 60 members total. That's 60. 35 of the members attend the, I'm going to make sure the 60 is outside my square rectangle here. 35 of the members attend the aerobics, 28 attend the yoga. 35, 28. Those are just totals. Doesn't say any buts. 17 attend both. The Venn diagrams used to illustrate. Pretty straightforward. If you can finish your Venn diagram without answering the question, or without reading the question, do it. So if this is 17 plus 11 is 28, 17 plus 18 is 35. So I got my Venn diagram. I know that everything adds up to 60, so this is 30. This circle is 35. 35 plus 11 is 46. That means out here is 14. So I have everything, and now I can just answer the question. Write down the value of Q, got it. Write down the value of P, got it. Calculate the number of the fitness club who attend neither aerobics nor yoga. That would be everyone outside of here. And then it says, shade on your Venn diagram, A complement intersect with Y. So again, I'm going to, A complement would be everything outside of A. And then where does that overlap with Y? So if I do Y right there, so I'm just looking for, since it's intersection, I'm looking for the places where it overlaps. So we're really talking about this blue area right in here, this moon shape. And those people would be people that did not do aerobics and did yoga. Okay, so the middle part would be the aerobics and yoga. These people did, or but not. So these would be people that did yoga but not aerobics. So you can see how that visual, we're going to work some more on that shading today.